Viewers, today we are going to demonstrate a very common orthopedic as well as general surgical procedure, that is the aspiration of a ganglion cyst. Today our patient is a 32 years old female patient who presented to us with the chief complaints of painless swelling in the dorsum of the left wrist joint. This is the ganglion cyst. The management in terms of the multiple review of the literature, majority some told that the ganglion swell may disappear spontaneously. However, if this type of cyst does not disappear spontaneously, there are multiple variants of management. Some recommends of the aspiration, especially I personally recommend the aspiration with a whiteboard sterile needle under all antiseptic precaution. The limb has been prepared under sterile antiseptic preparation. However, some are telling that after aspiration or direct injection of the steroid, I personally does not recommend the injection of the local steroid, because multiple randomized control trial has not been shown any advantage over steroid, and it may cause the skin pigmentation as well as fat atrophy. Some are the proponent of injection of the sclerosing agent that may induce a sterile inflammation and subsequent cause the fibrosis of the sac. That the majority of the paper does not support this evidence, because it may cause joint irritation, it may inside the joint, it may cause other problems. Some are of the opinion of inserting a ethylon or nylon suture through and through in a perpendicular fashion through the ganglion, and the patient is allowed to self-expel the gelatinous material content inside the ganglion. But it is also showing the positive culture result in 15 to 20% of cases. So now today I am going to aspirate whatever we go get from inside the ganglion cyst. So it is a whiteboard sterile needle along with the 10 cc syringe. একটা ছোট্ট injection দিচ্ছি. So I have gone inside the sac, and the gelatinous whitish material is coming out. You are seeing clearly the cheesy whitish material that is coming out. This is severe viscous material, a Vaseline like material. Sometimes if by directly applying the suction it does not come, then the way is just press and it will automatically come. Just keep on pressing, keep on pressing. You are seeing the more gelatinous material is coming inside the syringe. So keep on pressing as well as continuous creating negative suction pressure. This is the so we have whatever we got inside the ganglion cyst. So if I demonstrate the what the material we have received so far, I am showing. So this is the entire Vaseline like material that was present inside the cyst. So after that, after the removal of the entire material, I will apply a sterile dressing, compression dressing, and straight away send the patient to home. Some are the opinion of application of the plaster of Paris or bandage or immobilization. However, the literature does not support that, as it may cause the subsequent stiffness of the wrist joint and poor functional outcome. Thank you viewers for watching this video.